Okay, let's dive into this, because today we are going to completely shatter the traditional, exhausting process of content creation. Welcome to The Explainer. If you've ever looked at a hugely successful YouTube channel and just wondered, how on earth do they produce so much content? Or if you're honestly just tired of that manual grind of building things from scratch, well, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, we're breaking down a fully automated pipeline to reverse engineer and recreate any channel style using the sheer power of AI.
Here's our roadmap for today. We're going step by step through a complete procedural case study. We'll hit 1. The reverse engineering concept. 2. Master prompting with Claude. 3. Script and SEO generation. 4. Automating the voiceover. 5. Bulk image and thumbnails. And 6. Final video assembly.
All right, starting right off with Section 1, the reverse engineering concept, bypassing the creator grind. Look, manual creation, it requires constant ideation, writing scripts from scratch, recording voiceovers, and just tedious editing. Frankly, it's a massive drain on both your time and your wallet. The modern solution, on the other hand, is reverse engineering through full AI automation. By utilizing a smart automation pipeline, you achieve massive time and cost savings. We're talking about completely bypassing all that heavy lifting.
So what exactly do we mean by reverse engineering in this context? Well, it's the process of recreating a specific YouTube channel's exact video style, their scripting cadence, and their visual tone entirely through targeted AI automation. To make this super concrete, we're going to use a finance channel called Nick Invest as our tangible case study today. They use AI-generated content, and we're going to perfectly clone their style. Now, I want you to burn these numbers into your memory. 30 to 40. That is the total number of minutes it takes to go from staring at a completely blank screen to having a fully cloned, polished, and finished video ready for upload. I mean, that is just a game-changing level of speed. To pull this off, we're using a powerful, and get this, completely free AI tech stack. We'll be using Claude AI, specifically the Sonnet 4.6 model, as the mastermind brain of the whole operation. We're going to pair that with Google AI Studio for our audio, the CapCut browser and Vivo extension for a massive automation shortcut we'll talk about in a bit, Google Gemini for custom thumbnails, and finally, CapCut to snap it all together. Moving on to Section 2, Master Prompting with Claude, feeding the AI brain. So, the chronological logic of teaching our AI starts by providing Claude with a master prompt and the specific link of the target YouTube channel you actually want to clone. Then you just head over to a free YouTube transcript extractor tool, grab the raw transcripts of 2 or 3 of their videos, make sure that's without timestamps by the way, and feed that raw competitor data straight into Claude. Once Claude digests all that, you ask it to generate 10 fresh video ideas based on that exact style, which brings us to Section 3, Script and SEO generation, nailing the tone and metadata.
Once Claude gives you those 10 ideas, you pick one and command it to write the script. So the crucial point is exactly how you instruct it. By using a super specific, simple prompt like English only, like Nick style, you're forcing the AI to perfectly clone the competitor's exact tone, pacing, and language structure. It doesn't just spit out a generic script about finance, it gives you a script that sounds absolutely identical to the channel you're trying to reverse engineer. But, a video isn't just a script, right? It's highly visual. So next, you take screenshots directly from the competitor's actual videos. You upload 3 to 5 of these sample video images to Claude. And to be clear, these are not the thumbnails, just video stills, so Claude learns their internal visual aesthetic. Based on this, Claude will write out specific image generation prompts for your script. Then, you separately upload 2 to 3 of the competitor's actual thumbnails, so it learns that specific style too. Finally, you just ask Claude to finish the job by generating a perfectly optimized SEO package. That's your title, description, and tags.
All right, Section 4, Automating the voiceover, breathing life into the script.
Now, we transition into the execution phase. We take that Claude-generated script and move over to Google AI Studio. You literally just paste your script right into the text box. To make sure the downloaded AI voiceover sounds dynamic and professional and actually keeps viewer retention, you want to use these exact settings. Change the pace to rapid fire, choose an American accent, pick your preferred character voice, and run it. In seconds, you've got a high-quality audio file ready to download.
Let's jump to Section 5, Bulk image and thumbnails, the massive automation shortcut. Because honestly, doing image prompts one by one is for the dark ages.
We are going to use an incredible cheat code here. Step 1, ask Claude to list all those image prompts together with just a single line gap between them. Step 2, grab your Android device and install the CapCut browser and the Vivo automation extension. Step 3, you dump all of Claude's bulk prompts into the Google Flow website via this browser, and you set it to text to image with a 16:9 ratio.
To make absolutely sure this automation runs smoothly and doesn't crash or get flagged, you need to dial in those Vivo extension settings perfectly. You'll want to select the fourth option, which is the Skin Grant prompt. Then, and this is a crucial step here, set your random delays to 5 and 10. You hit run, sit back, and literally just let the automation take over. It generates and downloads every single image directly to your gallery in like 2 to 3 minutes flat. Now, just to briefly clarify, while we heavily automate the bulk generation of the main video images to save time, for the thumbnail, we want a bit more precision. So we take those custom thumbnail prompts Claude generated earlier and feed them one by one into Google Gemini. That way, we can craft the absolute perfect, high click-through rate cover image. And finally, Section 6, Final Video Assembly, snapping the pieces together. Let's move to and see how this builds. So, all of our AI assets are ready. We bring them all into CapCut for the final puzzle assembly. You just import your bulk-generated gallery images, drop in your rapid-fire audio track from Google AI Studio, and simply match the visual pacing of the images to that voiceover. Add some clean transitions, and export. All this seamless integration results in a really high-quality video snippet. Just like the result from our case study, featuring scenes of, say, Priya at a kitchen table in Pune, perfectly mimicking the original finance channel's tone, aesthetic, and pacing.
We've seen just how incredibly powerful and rapid this tech stack is, taking you from zero to a fully realized video in under an hour. But, it leaves us with an incredibly important final thought. If AI can completely clone a successful channel style in just 30 minutes, what unique human touch will you add to make yours truly stand out?